Hey, this is Matt from Gravity Whiz. Today we're going to take a look at how to set up member and non-member pricing using Gravity Perks Conditional Pricing. If a user is logged in, we'll charge them a different price to guest users. The first step is to ensure GP Conditional Pricing is installed and activated in Spellbook. Now that's done, we can head over to the form. The first thing I need to do is add a hidden field to the form to collect the ID of the current user. I'm going to call this Current User ID. Under the Advanced tab, in the default value, we're going to enter the user merge tag with the ID modifier. When the form is loaded, this will populate the user ID if they're logged in, or be blank if they are a guest. This can then be used for our conditional pricing. Before we can set up the pricing, we need to add a product field to the form. Let's give this a name and add the non-member price in the price setting. In our example, we'll go for $20. We now need to save the form and refresh the page so the conditional pricing settings show. Now head over to Settings and click on Conditional Pricing. In the drop-down, we need to select our product field. We can now add our conditional pricing rules. We've already set up the non-member price on the product field itself, so we only need to add a rule for the member price here. If that rule isn't met, conditional pricing will fall back to the default price on the product. In our example, I'm going to set a price of $10 if this user is a member. In the condition, we want to check that the current user ID field is greater than 0. As mentioned before, for guest users, this field will be 0. And for logged in users, it will show their user ID. So this rule here will catch any logged in user, meaning that any logged in user will get our discounted member price. All we need to do now is click Done and save the pricing. I'm using our free GF DevTools plugin, so I can enable live preview and also show the hidden field, so you can see how it's working. You'll see because I'm logged in, my current user ID is populated as 1. This means that I get the member pricing. If I view this in an incognito window, you'll see my current user ID is 0 because I'm not logged in, which means that I don't get the member pricing. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to set up member and non-member pricing using Gravity Perks Conditional Pricing. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.